Hello, my colleagues. Today I want to talk about the OpenTofu project and why it was created. This is an important topic for everyone working with infrastructure as a code. Before we continue, please support this channel. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe. Your support helps me share more helpful content. For many years, Terraform has been a key tool in DevOps. It started in 2014 and was released as open source software under the Mozilla public license. It became very important because it was free to use and easy to improve by the community. Developers, companies, and cloud engineers all helped it grow by writing models, tools, and sharing knowledge. But something changed in August 2023. HashiCorp, the company behind Terraform, decided to change its license to the business source license. This new license is not fully open source. Many people in the community was surprised and confused. Some companies were not sure if they could still use Terraform safely, especially with the unclear word competitive in the license. Because of this, trust in Terraform was shaky. And when trust is lost, it's hard to work with confidence. That's why a new project was born, OpenTofu. The goal is OpenTofu is very simple, to keep Terraform open source. Many people believe that tool like this should stay open without restrictions. OpenTofu a fork of Terraform. This means it started from the same code, but it's now been developed separately by the community under a true open source license. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you build your infrastructure using Terraform, and suddenly you're not sure if your use case is allowed anymore. This creates fear. With OpenTofu, the goal is to remove that fear and give full control back to the users. Now, let's look at some differences between the latest versions of Terraform and OpenTofu. Terraform, as of its latest version, still supports many providers, uses a state file to track resources, and has a strong ecosystem. It supports workspaces, modules, and remote backends. But the license means you need to check your usage if you are in a business environment. OpenTofu, on the other side, supports the same configuration language, HCL, the same provider system, and state file handling. It's fully compatible with existing Terraform modules and setups. In fact, most users can switch to OpenTofu with a little or no changes to their code. The big difference is trust and license. OpenTofu will always be open source. The community behind OpenTofu is also very active. They add security fixes, performance improvements, and new features with full transparency. They are working under the Linux Foundation, which also support other large projects like Kubernetes and Prometheus. These commands work just like Terraform, and the idea is the same. But now, the code is maintained by the community and the license stays open. Just like in the Linux world, where we have different versions like Ubuntu and CentOS, OpenTofu and Terraform will likely grow in their own ways. Some companies may choose Terraform for its commercial support, others will choose OpenTofu for its open license and community trust. I personally believe both tools can live together. But it's very important to know the story and make a clear decision based on your needs. In the end, the OpenTofu story shows how much the community cares. It's not just about code, it's about trust, open work, and the power of many people working together. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand why OpenTofu was created and how it compares to Terraform. I wish you good luck and see you in the next video.